Hello and welcome to Learning SQL for Beginners 2018. Today we will see some DDL or data definition commands, which are about creating database and tables and dropping or modifying them. In previous example we saw some data manipulation commands like update, create or insert. So before to do anything with SQL, you need to have a data and tables inside, and database can be created with this simple command, which is create database, or you can put encoding for your database. If you skip it, by default for MySQL 5.7 is Latin Swedish by default, unless you change it. And you can use this command to create your first database with UTF-8 encoding. If you want to delete your database, you have to use this command, which is drop database and the name of the database. As you can see here, the database is one and the same. And if you want to see what databases do you have on your server, you have to use show databases, and you have list of all your databases. Of course, all this can be done with tools, and you don't need to remember them by heart. You just need to have the basics. And here we can see how to create a table, which is named A Boys, and this table has 3 columns. This is the first column, this is the type of the column, and we have that we allow no values inside or no, and we have also encoding for each of the columns if it is varchar. Here we have foreign key, which is representing a relation between this table and this one. And here we have also the engine, which is going to be outdated in MySQL 8, so you can read more about difference between 5.7 and MySQL 8 here on this article. I will put it in the description below. And if you want to drop table, you can use it drop table and the name of the table. And if you want to modify some columns, for example adding a column, can be done by alter table, the table name, and add column name and the type of the column. Dropping the table is done by the similar syntax. And finally you can change the type of the column by inserting the column and the new type. So that's all for DDL or data definition language. If you have any questions, please ask them below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.